Good morning, class 5th. As you read the chapter 2 of this English LIT book English Reader, so today we will solve the exercise of chapter 2. So let's continue. As you know, the first exercise is answer the following question orally, but all of you will write write these questions and answer in your notebook also with proper handwriting. First of all, you will know that you have to know that all of you write the question with black pen and answer with blue pen, and handwriting should be neat and clean. Headings are clearly indicate with black pen. Is that clear? So let's start. Question number 1. What was the favorite plaything of Princess Ruby? The answer is golden ball. Or you have to write that golden ball was the favorite plaything of Princess Ruby. Number 2. Where was the little green frog sit? The answer is on a stone. Or you write the little green frog sit on a stone. Number 3. Which thing had fallen in the water? The answer is golden ball. Or you can write that golden ball had fallen in the water. Is that clear? After all, come on MCQ questions or multiple choice question. Tick the correct option and complete these sentences. All of you fill the book properly also with neat and clean handwriting. Question number 1. Princess Ruby's favorite plaything was a dash ball. You will tick golden and write golden also in fill up. Number 2. The dash dived into the water and disappeared beneath it. The frog. Tick the frog and write the frog. Number 3. Princess Ruby tried to ignore him, but then she saw that the dash was watching her. The answer is king. So tick the king and write the king. Number 4. Princess Ruby left the frog sitting on the dash. So tick floor and write floor also. Number 5. Princess saw standing by the dash window a handsome young man. So the answer is open. Answer the following question. All of you write answer in your book and notebook also. First of all, you will fill your book properly, and after that you will write these question answer in your notebook. Question number 1. Why did Princess Ruby cry? Because her golden ball fell into a deep pot. Question number 2. What did Princess Ruby give a little green frog in return? The answer is Princess Ruby promised with the frog to be his best friend. Number 3. Why was the little green frog dived into the water? The answer is for get back the golden ball from the pond. Question number 4. How was the frog become Princess Ruby's best friend? The answer is the frog wanted to eat from her plate, drink from her cup, and sleep in her bed. Question number 5. What happened at the end of the story? The answer is at the end, the frog became a handsome young man. When they grew up, they got married and lived happily. Now come on the next page. Exercise C. This is Fill in the blanks with words given below. The first. One day, Princess Ruby was playing in the garden. Number 2. Princess Ruby watched anxiously from the bank. Number 3. Princess Ruby opened the door and Frog hopped in. Number 4. The next morning, as dawn crept through her window, she awoke and stretched. Number 5. Princess Ruby and the young man got married and lived happily even after. The D part of the exercise is true or false. Question number, the first point, Princess Ruby lived in a palace with her brother. False. Number 2, one day Princess Ruby was playing in the garden with the ball. True. Number 3, a little green frog sitting on a stone by the side of the pond. True. Number 4, Princess Ruby and Frog got married. False. Number 5, Princess Ruby and the young man became the best friend. False. Because Princess Ruby and the frog was the best friend. Now come on the sharpen your vocabulary. Part A, match the opposite words. So match column A with column B. The word is sparkle. The opposite is dullness. The word is horrible. Opposite is pleasant. The word is wide. Opposite is narrow. The word is like. Opposite is dislike. Next, the word is promise. The opposite is disagreement. Number 6, the word is snuggle. The opposite is separate. Number 7, the word is young. The opposite is old. Number 8, the word is down and opposite is above. Is that clear? After that, find out 2 synonyms for each of the word. These are the words and these are the synonyms. So, let's continue. The word is horrible. The synonyms are dreadful and fearful. Number 2, the word is slamming. The word is slamming and the synonyms are smash and slap. Number 3, the word is croaky. The synonym is croaking or gruff. Number 4, the word is grabbed. The synonym is share or snatch. Number 5, the word is snuggle. The synonym is nestle or curl up. Nestle, N-E-S-T-L-E, nestle, or curl up, C-U-R-L, curl, U-P, up. And now come on the C part of the exercise. In this exercise, find out the meaning of the following words and make sentences in your own words. Take the help of dictionary if needed. Question number, the word is beautiful. The meaning is pretty. As you make sentence that this is a beautiful garden. Okay, this is the first sentence. After that, there are 4 words also. I write the meaning of all that words. After that, you will have to make sentences yourself, because these are very simple words and all of you can do this. The number 2 word is princess. The meaning is the daughter of monarch. Okay, and the sentence you will make yourself. as you will say that the Princess Ruby was very the Princess Ruby was very pretty, or you can say all as you like. Number 3, the word is drink. The meaning is take a liquid into the mouth and swallow. Or sentence, drink plenty of water daily. Number 4, shining. The meaning is giving out or reflecting bright light. As you make sentence, the sun is shining very hot today. Yeah, then the sun is shining brightly today. Number 5th word is enjoy. The meaning is take delight or pleasure in an activity or occasion. You will make sentence that I enjoy the party. So all these words are very simple words, and all of you make the sentences yourself. The first sentence is done for you. After that, the exercise, your teacher will read a paragraph in the class, listen to her or him carefully and answer the following question. As you read the chapter, so answer these questions. The question number 1 is, what was the promise made by the frog to the princess? To be her best friend. Number 2, where did the Princess Ruby live? In a beautiful palace. Number 3, who dived into the water? The green frog. Number 4, give synonyms for the following words. The word is wipe. The synonym is rub. The word is promise. The synonym is pledge. Pledge. Number 5, give antonyms for the following words. The word is surprise, and the antonym is predictable. 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 The word is happy. The antonym is sad. Remember one thing, that all the exercise will be done in your notebook also, and fill the book properly. After that, come on next page. The next page is exercise A, B, and after that C, or the page number 16 or 17 exercise not to be done in your notebook. It is filled only in book. Is that clear? So come on page number 16. Exercise number A. Underline the proper nouns in the following sentences. All of you know that what are proper nouns? Proper nouns are that indicate a noun. The words that represent is the special name of a person, place or thing. A proper noun always begin with capital letters. This is the main point of that. The proper nouns always indicates with capital letters. So let's continue and come on the exercise. Number 1, Amit reads in my class. What is proper noun? Amit. So underline this. Number 2, the Ganga is a religious river. What is proper noun? The Ganga. Number 3, my uncle will go to Japan next week. The word Japan is proper noun. Number 4, Vansh have won the competition. The proper noun is Vansh. Number 5, King Akbar was a great man. The proper noun is King Akbar. Number 6, my friend Rajat lives near the school. The proper noun is Rajat. Number 7, the sun rises in the east. In these sentences there are two proper nouns, sun or east, because all the both words are indicated with capital letters and both are proper noun. Number 8, Qutb Minar is situated in Delhi. As in the sentences, in this sentence there are two proper noun also, that is Qutb Minar and Delhi. Exercise B. All of you fill this exercise yourself. As my name is dash, you will write your name in this place. My father's name is, all of you write your father's name. Number 3, the name of my best friend is, or you write your best friend name. Next, the name of our country is India. Number 5, the name of our national bird is peacock. The name of my pet dog is, you will write your pet dog name. Number 7, the name of our national animal is tiger. And the name of my brother is, all of you write your brother's name. Is that clear? After that, come on page number 17. This is a puzzle. Find out 10 words in this puzzle and write their names. The first word is golden, that frog, ball, bed, stone, cup, tea, window, skirt or pond. All of you will search like this. And now the last exercise of the chapter, there are the picture of some aquatic animals. Identify them and write their names below. The first is crocodile, this is crab, this is whale, and this is octopus. As this, you will paste 4 animals, marine animal pictures. Marine animals, animals that live in the seas or oceans. Okay, the 4 pictures was will paste here and write the name of them also. Is that clear? The chapter 2 exercise is totally complete. Page number 16 or 17 exercise not to be done in your notebook. It is done only in your book. And last exercises as page number 13, 14 and 15. All the exercises will done in your notebook and book both, with the proper neat and clean handwriting also. Is that clear? That's all.